Hey, it's Danielle. Thanks for joining me for another nail haul. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. It is a new year. I hope you're having a good start so far. I've got some goodies here I wanted to show you. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with some stuff that I got from SHEIN. So first was this little container of Christmas glitter. Christmas has come and gone already, but there is always next year. So this is an assortment of glitter. I see snowflakes, stars, hearts, holly, 4-pointed stars, big and small snowflakes. Let's have a peek and see. I can open some of these grids. Alright, so we've got different colored snowflakes. Here's, oh my goodness. This is very thick material. It's sequin material. So this is kind of like a gold snowflake. There are small stars, smaller iridescent snowflakes, 4-pointed stars. What else is there? A little flower. I can grab it right here. Mainly the whole reason I got this was because I wanted the holly. The holly is really cute. And it's just 6 grids and they're all mixed. So, of course I had to get some water decals. I got 2 sets of the same. And these are full coverage water decals. I've got this nice green one with the flower. Some roses. Squirrel, cat, floral, reindeer, abstract. I don't know how you describe this one. And then a floral one. Also got 2 sets of these full coverage ones. So this one's got like a abstract. So there's 2 of the same. They're kind of like night sky. This one makes me think of like shooting stars, and this one makes me think of stars. These full-size sheets, they don't have the plastic covering over top, so I definitely recommend keeping the cellophane bag that they come in and putting them back in there, especially if you're going to store them in books, because we all know that sometimes in books when you store these and they don't have a plastic sheet on the front, they get stuck. Also bought some stickers. So these are kind of like a silver, I guess, I don't know, would you call it lace? Silver lace pattern. I just thought they were really pretty. Look neat on a nail. You just have to cut it out to fit however you wanted it on the nail. Yeah, silver lace. And then these really cute stickers. Got 2 sheets of these. They are feathers. So this is one big piece here, and then just small individual feathers. Then you could cut this big piece out into different size chunks to fit on a nail. I think that would still be cute. So I got this. This is a pack of 3 stickers. These are the 3 stickers that are inside of it. I'll just pull them out here and show you up close a little better. It is the year of the tiger this year, so you're going to see a lot of tiger stickers. I like these scratch ones. Okay, so these ones are gold and black. And these ones are some nice animal print. I like this heart. And one more sticker to show you. And it's just silver stripes. Glittery silver stripes. So you can use these like striping tape. Okay, the next little bit is from SHEIN as well. I've got these nail stands for when I'm doing press-on nails. I thought they were really cute because they were in the shape of like a horse's head. Almost remind me of chess pieces. I guess you could put your clay up here and then press the nail on there. I don't know. It'll be weird to see how these ones compare to like these flat ones. If it will hold a nail very well, whereabouts you, because you don't want to go too low, because then the nail will be pointing down. Maybe you can go up top. I don't know. I'll have to figure those ones out. But I couldn't resist buying them because, of course, they're cute. Then some lint-free nail wipes. You can never have too many of these. Just like that. Some swatch sticks. I believe there was 25 pieces. I can't remember exactly. And some 100, 180 grit nail files. There's 5 in this pack. Oh, looks like I got more stickers as well. I really liked these ones. They're gold and they're kind of like, these big ones you could use as full cover pieces on your nails. These long ones you could just cut out to fit your nails. I really like these. plaid. These are kind of a matte plaid. So you've got some bows and some faux pieces. You've got them in a gray and a burgundy color. And I also got them in a green. Let's get this open here. This is kind of like a green. I don't know, the green doesn't show up really well, but it's like a little bit of a grainy gray with yellow stripes, and this one's a lighter pink one. And I got some nice Valentine's Day ones, because Valentine's Day is coming. That's our next holiday. So these are a metallic red and black. They just say love, miss you, be mine, with some roses. This one has got kiss me, some nice lips, hearts, happy Valentine's Day, Eiffel Tower. I really like the lips on this, because they've got that nice metallic. And then this one's just a kind of a Paris theme one. I had to get it for the cat. And the last sticker one I got is just some gold and black ones. I really like the pineapple. But this popsicle is pretty cool too. Nice holographic. It for the stickers. I got this grid of glitter. It's just different colored flamingos. I thought it was super cute and I wanted it. But they're just holographic flamingos. So you've got silver, gold, orange, red, light green, dark blue, another shade, red, green, and pink, blue, light purple, and like black holographic. Let's look at one of these. Oh, if I can get it open. I always struggle getting these grids open. Let's get a red one out. Only want one. So they're all the same shape. They're just in different colors. Let's see, I've got this nail painted black. Okay, and now we've got some charms that I picked up from SHEIN. These are crowns. They're gold with a silver crystal in the middle. Those are really cute. Wow, I like those. And you get 10 of those in a bag. These ones I got lots of because I like cats. So they're gold and silver tigers. I'm going to show you one of each. So there's the silver tiger. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's holding like an upside down heart crystal, and it's got 2 little black crystals for eyes. It's silver. Let's compare it to a gold. goodness. So gold and silver tiger charms. And you get 10 per bag. You know, you really have to watch on SHEIN because sometimes it's only 5. And I've been caught, and I don't like getting 5 because that's not an even number, and if you're gonna do something to one nail, you should do it to a nail on the other hand, so you need even numbers. So this is just a gold one. So again, you get 10 in the bag. So it's kind of like a big crystal with a little butterfly over here, and there's a butterfly there too. Butterfly on this side's got crystals in it, and the butterfly on that side is just gold. It's very cute. This one is a heart in kind of like an antique setting. I got this nail ready, but it's not quite sticky enough. Okay, so we've got a pearl, some AB crystals, and a little emerald crystal over here. And the last one I got are these kind of AB snails. Pretty cute, actually. Quite shiny. A little bit lifted on the side, but you'll have to build up around it. So that was everything I got from SHEIN. Now let's move on to the AliExpress stuff. So this one, once again, I got tricked by not paying close enough attention, and I bought some charms thinking, because in the picture there was multiple ones in the picture, but I only got one of each. So be very, very careful when you're buying off of AliExpress that you look at the description to see how many pieces you're going to get, because even though it might describe it as something plural and they may have a picture of it with several in the picture, it does not mean you're going to get that many. So these are just little fans. This one's got red crystals, and this one had clear crystals. I definitely want to go back and get some more of these because they're very pretty. This is the one with the clear crystals. I'm just really disappointed that I only got one of each, honestly. Talk about heartbreaking. And then I got some little plastic, or I guess, I don't know, would they be considered resin charms? So these are little bunnies in different colors. You've got peach, pink, white, blue. There's one green one. Oh, those are cute. Dang, I like those. I'm just gonna spill them everywhere though. So there was the bunnies, there is hearts, and there is little Minnie Mouses. And like I said, you get pretty much the same color scheme. You got the peach, the pink, the blue. Well, that one doesn't want to behave. Here's the pink heart. So they've got kind of like a stitching detail around the outside of them, which is really cute. And then of course the little bow. I think you get 20 in a package as well. Oh, I don't know about these minis. Look at how horrible they look. Oh my goodness. Of course I dropped it. Look at the edges of these. There's like crap built up all over these. And they're very rough. Do you see all that white stuff around the outside and how rough it is? That's disappointing. This white one looks okay. The pink one looks okay. So maybe it was just one bad one in there, hopefully. Yeah, there's another bad looking one in there too. So 2 of the green ones. The rest look okay though. And then I got these little hearts. Oh, there's a cat here. So they're just really small hearts and they're kind of glittery. And from the same seller I got these 2 stickers. They're just like, you got chocolates, little whipped cream or something, crackers, cookies, pretzels, ice cream, roll cake, even lotus cookies on here. And this is just kind of the same thing, just a different variation of it. From this vendor, I got some different sized caviar beads. So I've got bigger ones, medium size, and smaller ones. And it comes in 6 colors. So you've got gunmetal, silver, black, gold, bronze, and like a really light silver. Yeah. Different size caviar beads. Bought a tweezer set because you can never have too many of these angled and pointy tweezers. And they got this little 6 grid of rhinestones. These are just a silver rhinestone. I don't have any like silvery looking ones like this, so I wanted to get some. Kind of a gunmetal color rhinestone. And I got this mixed pack of crystals. Really like the color of these. So they kind of shift like a purpley yellow, And you've got a lot of different shapes in there. So you've got like this shape, round ones. Here's a diamond shape. Cat hair on my nail. Teardrop. You've got a rhombus shape. There's a triangle, a rectangle. Ooh, I even found a little heart. Oops. Oh yeah, you've got all these different shapes. I believe there was 100 pieces in that one. And the next little bit I'm really disappointed in because these were not the colors I ordered, and when I asked them about the colors I ordered, they said, oh, we're sold out, even though their site still showed that they were selling them. So I'm kind of annoyed with that. This one was supposed to be an emerald green. This one was supposed to be white. Oh, go away there. So from a different seller, I got some stickers. They are sweater patterned stickers, green ones. So they've got the blue, white, kind of a peachy color, pink, reindeer. They are textured, so they are kind of like the sweater pattern. And you've got your classic red and green, some snowflakes and reindeer. And then this one's got actual sweaters, which I thought was so cute. And then the sweater pattern. And from the same seller, I also got these two grids. Alright, so I just opened that one the wrong way because I'm super smart. This one's got bows, different sizes and shapes of bows. So you've got some bows like that. These are all kind of like AB. Some bows like that. Some like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. So those are the 6 different bows, and then in the middle is just some AB rhinestones. Just like that. I tried to salvage that as best as I could, but I don't know how I did. Don't open them upside down like me. So you've got a seashell, a ribbon, a piece of scrap, apparently. That's a freebie. Cute little bear, a butterfly, heart, another butterfly, and then rhinestones. Oh my goodness. Does it work easier with the wax pencil? Give it a try. It doesn't want to come off the wax pencil now. Come on. So a while ago I ordered foils from a seller. They sent me the wrong foils. They said they were going to send me the right ones. They sent me foils and they sent me the wrong ones. They sent me the same ones that I already got that were wrong to begin with. They sent them to me again. So now I have like 8,000 of these. And I don't know what to do with them all. Right, one of these cutting tools. I think they're good for use with acrylic. And I wanted to start doing more acrylic. So I bought one of those. And I got all this Chameleon chrome powder. So this is number 3. So this is kind of a orange red color. Number 9. Just want to try this powder. Oh, that's pretty. So it's kind of a peachy pink. This is number 2, and it's a kind of a green gold. Wow, I like those. Those are pretty. Those are very nice. And you get a lot of it in these little containers. Number 1. It's kind of a reddy blue. Number 6. It's a pink purple. Number 8, just kind of a copper color. Looks like a coppery gold. This one is kind of a greeny orange. Number 4, it's a orangey pink. Ooh, I'm getting it everywhere. And then number 2, I think. No, 5. So it's more of a pink, fuchsia pink color. Alright, and from that same seller I got these bears. I got 2 in gold and 2 in silver. They're quite big. They have a little stone in the middle that moves. As you can see from the side, they are quite deep. So I'm not really sure how well they would sit on a nail. And it looks cute on a nail, but you can see how tall they are. Whoops. They look hella cute. Let's check out the gold one. The jewel doesn't move as well in that one. Okay, this is a different seller. So I got some sequins. This is a large bag of them. I mean, these are more sequins than I'll know what to do with for the rest of my life. And they are cupids. Little holographic cupids. They're stuck together. There's like 3 of them stuck together here. Or maybe just 2. See how nice and holographic those are? I got all of these. This will last me for Valentine's Day for the next 135 years. And then I got some pink ones, which are little kitty cats. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look, there's a couple of them stuck together. Kitty cats. I'm gonna have to give some of these away. Then I got a mixed bag of charms. There are flowers, lollipops, flowers, dolphins, leaves, teardrops. I think that's it. And these are little charms. Okay, these little charms are all kind of like cute things. Got ice creams, ice cream bars, all different kind of ice cream. Look at all these different ones. I mean, some of them are kind of sloppy like that, but there's some cute ones too. Different ice creams. Different ice creams. Different ice creams. So all kinds of different little ones. A whole bunch of different style of charms in here. Ice cream like that. Like that. A bunch of different ones. I also got some skull charms. They're pretty cool. They've got rhinestones in them, and they've also got a rhinestone red star for an eye, almost like an eye patch. Those are skulls. So I got 10 of these. I did get, oh, okay, I had to make sure. I wasn't sure if I got only 10 or if I got a pack of 5. But these are kind of like leopard heads. They're very cute. They don't really look like, I don't know if I'd say they look like leopards. But the eyes look funny. They remind me of skulls, honestly. And these ones are also leopard heads. Okay, and that's it for the charms. But I did get some little metal, I don't know what you'd call these. Not really charms. They're more of like metal embellishments, I guess. Metal sequins. What you should call these. So these are cat heads. They are gold on one side and bronze on the other side. Little cat heads. I got them in gold and bronze, and I also got them in silver and bronze. And then I've got another style of cat head in gold and bronze and silver and bronze. This one just has no whiskers. It's just a shape of a cat's head. And of course I had to get mermaids. So these ones are, you know what, this one's got a number 8 in the package. You can see that there. These are silver and bronze mermaids, and these are gold and bronze mermaids. I'm gonna grab one of these out of the package for you. So you can see how cute and dainty they are. So that's the gold side, and that's the copper side. I wonder how she'd look on the snail. And then I got more cats. So once again, I got them in gold and bronze and silver and bronze. And there's the bronze side. That's it. That's all I have. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope wherever you are in the world, you're happy, healthy, and safe. Take care, and I'll see you next time.